Hello everyone, Do This Digital Tech is here. Today I'll be showing you step by step how to download video from Facebook. Let's head to Facebook. This is my Facebook and I have a video here. So all you need to do is first get the URL of the video. When you right click on it, show video URL, you copy it by pressing Ctrl C on your keyboard, then open a new tab, paste it, and press enter, or open a new tab, right click on it, click on paste and go, and it will load the particular video. All you need to do from here is click on the video. You can see the video is playing. Let me pause it. Okay, as you can see, the video is here and it's playing. So all you need to do from here is come to the Facebook URL, click on it, double click on www and replace it with mbasic. Formerly, when you want to download video on Facebook, you change the URL, the www to m, but now it has been changed. So now all you need to do is replace www with mbasic, then hit your enter button. As you can see, the interface has also changed. Now all you need to do from here is click on the video. It will transport to another tab entirely. From here, just right click. You can see that the URL has changed also. From here, just right click and locate save video as. When you click on save video as, then all you need to do from here is rename the video. Then make sure you know where you are saving to. Very, very important. So in the course of this recording, I'll be saving to my desktop. You can see it has promised and the downloaded is completed. Now let's go and look for it to be sure of what we download. As you can see, this is the video I just downloaded. This is the video. That is how to easily download video from Facebook. Don't forget to like my video, give us a thumbs up, and also share with others so that others can also benefit from this. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.